Dr. Herbert Harris here. Hey, I'd like to invite you to attend Millionaire Mentorship Call number 360 on Facebook Live at facebook.com/Dr. Success Man. Our topic for this call is how to make right decisions. I think many of us at this point in our lives are at a point where we need to make right decisions. We can't afford to make mistakes. We can have learning experiences, but we need to make right decisions so that we can get right results. We're going to look at the 4 steps to decision making. Decide what you want. Define the goals you want to achieve. Believe in the answers. And don't worry about how. We're going to cover a lot of other things to help you make better decisions so that you can be what you want to be, do what you want to do, and have whatever you want to have. I recommend that you get a pad and paper and tune in Saturday morning, 8 a.m. Eastern at facebook.com/Dr. Success Man. Dr. Herbert Harris here saying, remember, the best is yet to come.